Hello and welcome back to Premier Finds. My name is Michelle, and on this channel we discuss luxury, lifestyle, fitness, and everything in between. We discuss some high-end items and some budget-friendly items. Today I wanted to show you the newest release from Louis Vuitton, their small key pouch. Now they have three that came out. They have the small, they have the medium, and they have the large. So they have been very challenging to get. I think they were released maybe 3 weeks ago, and I was on the wait list for this. Keep in mind, in addition to the small, medium, and large that was just released, they had a regular key pouch that was significantly smaller than the small that I'm about to show you. So I did get a call from my SA, and she told me that I'd been talking with her, and she said they only had the large in. She called me back and said, we did get in one small. So wanted to show you what that is like in case you are still waiting on one, or if you're interested in getting one for yourself or a gift. As you know, it comes packaged like this. Here you go. You have this, and here you are. So this is, and I'll do some up close shots later. This is it. Here, the small key pouch. Again, it comes in small, medium, and large. And for reference, the original key pouch, I'm going to just use my finger to try to show you that it was about this length. It was a little shorter, and to be honest, it didn't have as much give or pliability to me as this one does. So with this one, you can put in, I'm going to say, and I'll show you some things in a minute. You can put in cards, some cash, a lip gloss, a small lotion. It is not going to fit a phone. The medium and large, of course, will. This also has a bag. It also has a pocket that comes out. It is not adhered, if you will, to the pouch. It comes out, and this just says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France right here, but there is a little slip pocket, and right now mine just has that in it, okay? So let me go here, back in there. As always, the zip is like butter, goes very smoothly. Love that. Okay, here is your key ring right here. Works nicely, beautiful, not matte, not brassy, a very nice gold. I have or had the smaller key pouch, and the original, and I am going to say that this chain to me is a little thinner. It just has a lighter feel, if you will. Still a beautiful little item, but the original, the chain to me was a bit more substantial. The beauty or the reason that this is such a highly coveted item is because of the price point. They decided to do this one for, I think, $365, whereas the smaller one, they wanted $330 for that, which is slightly smaller. But so for the price, this is a good value. The medium has been very challenging to find. The large is more plentiful. I will tell you that the large, well, I also have the trio, and I want to show you in comparison. This is the 15 in the trio right here, okay? This is the 15, and this is the small key pouch, their new release. So I'm gonna put that right in the front, okay? The 15, it's a 15 inch. This is the 15 in the key pouch, the trio. It came in 15, 19, and 26, if I'm not mistaken. This is the 15. This is the new key pouch. This is what you're getting there. It is slightly taller, and the most important difference or major difference is the width. You're gonna get a lot more in here okay, by nature of the product there. This has some vachetta on it, and it does not have a key ring. Again, it's part of that toiletry pouch, but just in terms of size comparison, if you happen to have this and you're considering whether you need this, this lends itself to throwing in your bag, running into the store, and you just want to have your driver's license, some cash, and some credit cards, maybe a lip gloss or something like that. The 15-inch that comes with the Trio, it's just a different item. I mean, sure, you can use that to go into the store and take some things. However, and you're going to be able to take more. The 15 does not have any pockets. Keep that in mind. It does not have a slip pocket, and there is no key ring. But just want to kind of let you know the biggest factor is going to be the width on that. So here you are there. And I will tell you, I looked at the large. I'm going to insert a picture here because I looked at the large when I was in the store. And this is the 26 that came in the Trio. And the large is about this size, actually. It really is. It's about this size, and it is not as wide. It really lends itself as a cute little clutch to me. It really would look cute as a clutch. So if you're considering that and you have the Trio, your large is about the size of the 26. And then this is the 15. And then just for kicks, I'll show you. This is the 19, and I'm just wondering if the medium is comparable to this size. I've never seen the medium. They don't have it in stock very much, so I don't know, but this is what this is giving. Now, I'm gonna show you a couple of things that will fit in here. All right, guys, so I just grabbed a couple of things to kind of show you what would fit in here. I would probably use it more for cards and cash, maybe a lip gloss, but just for reference, here is that new Miss Dior gel, if you will, the fragrance in the stick. I'm not sure about Miss Dior. I can't get with it yet. I don't know, maybe it'll grow on me. Nonetheless, this is the Miss Dior. It could go in there like that. Here is a glow oil from Dior. And then here is their little mirror, okay? And I could probably get that in there as well. And then I could also get in the some cash, maybe just a little bit there. So with all of those being in there, I'm gonna zip that up for you. And there you are. Get that all in there, okay? And at this point, I still have nothing in that little slip pocket. Feels really good. I could take that into the store. Feels nice. Put your keys on here if you want it. And so this is just what I wanted to show you in terms of what will fit if you are thinking about going to get the small. Here it is. If you are waiting on yours, let me know. If you're on the waiting list, if you have it, tell me what your thoughts are and what you keep in yours. Lastly, I have seen this. I saw this, and I wouldn't. Some people do it. I've seen people take the chain. So I have seen people do this with it, which I'm not too sure about. That seems a little busy. I also have seen it on the Speedies. People are putting this as a little catch-all or decorative item outside of some of their bags, you know, to each his own. So I just wanted to take the opportunity to share that with you. One of my co-workers was asking me about it, and I told her to stay tuned. I would do a video on it, and here it is. This is the small in their newest release of their key pouches. And again, it comes in small, medium, and large. Again, let me know in the comments below if you're waiting on yours and what size you're interested in. If you've had yours for a little while, let us know what your thoughts are. I think it is a win for the price point. So keep that in mind and feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Au revoir.